going to show you a quick video on how you pressure wash a dock that's been weathered. Bella and I were sitting here, not sitting, we're standing here, and we're going to let you see before and after photos. This is how the dock looks, weathered like this. It's not an old dock, but it's weathered. It never was treated. It's treated wood, but it's never was treated. And then we're going to go on the other side, right all along, show you what it looks like. Get a good look at that. Okay, let me show you this. All that. Okay. Just using a regular power washer. It is a 7 horsepower, 4200 psi pressure washer. I know that's very important when you're buying these pressure washers. And you don't put any chemicals in it because you're on the water with that sprayer hose. Now here's the after, what it looks like after. This is the other dock. It's already been done. Look at this, and it's still wet. I'll take another picture when it dries. I'll take my time here, show you. Look at that. Look at the wood grain coming through, natural wood grain. Wow, beautiful. And that's how you do it. Right, Bella? That's how you do it. Looks like brand new wood. Beautiful. Off to the next side. So I'm going to show you now the completed process from the power washing with no chemicals. It's been a couple days and the sun's set, and I'll let you see how it looks. Almost like brand new. Here's the other dock we did. And here's the board. You can see how it came out just like brand new. I'm taking my time showing you. Look at that. Of course we're in the shade right now. But, and then, look at that. Brand new. Just a little pressure washer and water. No chemicals.